It's a common myth that dogs see the world in black and white. However, this is not true. Dogs do see colors, but their color perception is quite different from that of humans. Unlike humans, who have 3 types of color receptors, cones, that allow us to see a wide range of colors, dogs have only 2 types of cones. This means that while humans can see a full spectrum of colors, dogs primarily see the world in shades of blue and yellow. Dogs are considered to have dichromatic vision, which is somewhat similar to red-green color blindness in humans. This difference in color perception can influence how dogs interact with their environment. For example, a red toy on a green lawn might appear as a brownish-gray to a dog, making it harder for them to distinguish. Understanding how dogs see colors can help us better comprehend their behaviors and needs. For instance, when selecting toys or training tools, opting for colors that stand out in a dog's visual spectrum, like blue or yellow, can be more effective. Additionally, this knowledge can enhance our approach to designing environments and products that cater to their sensory experiences. Beyond color perception, dogs rely heavily on their other senses, such as smell and hearing, which are far more acute than those of humans. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect scents that are imperceptible to us, and their ability to hear higher frequencies enables them to pick up on sounds we might miss. By appreciating these differences in sensory perception, we can foster stronger bonds with our canine companions and provide them with more enriching and stimulating environments. Dog senses overview. Dogs possess an extraordinary array of senses that far surpass human capabilities in several areas. One of the most remarkable aspects of a dog's sensory abilities is its sense of smell. Dogs have up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This allows them to detect scents at incredibly low concentrations. For instance, a dog can identify a single teaspoon of sugar dissolved in 1,000,000 gallons of water. This powerful sense of smell is utilized in various tasks, from tracking scents over long distances to detecting medical conditions such as cancer and diabetes in humans. In addition to their keen sense of smell, dogs also have exceptional hearing. They can perceive frequencies ranging from 40 Hz to 65,000 Hz, which is significantly broader than the human hearing range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This means dogs can hear higher-pitched sounds that are completely inaudible to humans. Their ears are also designed to capture sound more efficiently, with the ability to rotate and pinpoint the direction of noises. This acute hearing helps dogs detect approaching dangers, communicate with other dogs, and respond to their owner's commands, even from a distance. Furthermore, dogs' senses of smell and hearing play vital roles in their daily interactions with the world. These enhanced senses enable them to navigate their environment, locate food, identify individuals, and stay alert to potential threats. Their sensory capabilities are not only essential for their survival but also make them invaluable companions in various human endeavors, such as search and rescue missions, law enforcement, and therapeutic support. Overall, the advanced sensory abilities of dogs contribute significantly to their unique and powerful connection with humans, allowing them to perform tasks that would be impossible for us and enriching our lives in countless ways. Dogs' vision, eye structure. Dogs' eyes are positioned similarly to those of humans, and they share a comparable eye-to-head size ratio. However, despite these anatomical similarities, there are significant differences in the quality and functionality of vision between the two species. While humans depend heavily on their ability to perceive fine visual details and a broad spectrum of colors, dogs' vision has evolved to serve different needs and priorities. In humans, the central part of the retina, called the fovea, is densely packed with cone cells that detect color and fine details. This allows humans to see vivid colors and intricate details, making tasks like reading, recognizing faces, and appreciating art possible. On the other hand, dogs have a higher proportion of rod cells in their retinas, which are more sensitive to low light and movement. This adaptation makes dogs particularly adept at detecting motion and seeing in dim lighting conditions, traits that were crucial for their ancestors when hunting at dawn or dusk. Additionally, the color vision of dogs is not as rich as that of humans. Dogs have dichromatic vision, meaning they see primarily in shades of blue and yellow. They cannot distinguish between red and green, which can appear as shades of gray or brown to them. This color perception difference is because dogs have only 2 types of cone cells in their retinas, compared to the 3 types found in human eyes. Consequently, while a human might see a vibrant green field dotted with red flowers, a dog would perceive it in more muted tones, with less color contrast. Another notable difference is the field of view. Dogs have a wider field of view compared to humans, approximately 240 degrees versus the human range of 180 degrees. This broader perspective is advantageous for detecting potential predators or prey in their environment. However, this comes at the cost of depth perception and sharpness in the center of their vision, areas where human eyesight excels. Overall, while humans and dogs share some basic structural similarities in their eyes, The differences highlight the distinct evolutionary paths and survival needs of each species. Dogs' vision is optimized for tracking movement and seeing in low light, supporting their roles as hunters and companions, whereas human vision is fine-tuned for detailed tasks and vibrant color differentiation. Color perception. The human eye is equipped with 3 types of cone cells, sensitive to red, blue, and green wavelengths of light. These cone cells enable us to perceive a wide and vibrant spectrum of colors, allowing for the differentiation of millions of distinct hues. This complex color vision system contributes significantly to our daily experiences, from appreciating the nuances in a sunset to distinguishing the ripeness of fruits. In contrast, dogs have a more limited color perception. They possess only 2 types of cone cells, which are sensitive to blue and yellow wavelengths. This dichromatic vision means that while dogs can see various shades of blue and yellow clearly, they have difficulty distinguishing colors like red, green, pink, and purple. To dogs, these colors may appear as different shades of gray or brown. Understanding the differences in color perception between humans and dogs can be quite beneficial, particularly when selecting toys, training aids, or even designing environments for our canine companions. Opting for items in blue or yellow can make them more visible and engaging for dogs, enhancing their play and training experiences. For instance, a blue ball or a yellow chew toy is likely to stand out more in a dog's field of vision compared to a red or green one, making it easier for them to locate and interact with these objects. This knowledge also extends to training aids, such as agility equipment or signal flags, which should ideally be in colors that dogs can easily see. By catering to their specific visual capabilities, we can improve communication and strengthen the bond between humans and their furry friends, ensuring a more enriching and responsive interaction. In summary, while humans enjoy a rich tapestry of color perception thanks to our 3 types of cone cells, dogs experience a more limited palette. Recognizing these differences helps us make informed choices that cater to their unique visual needs, ultimately enhancing their quality of life and our relationship with them. Practical applications. Recent research has provided fascinating insights into canine color perception, demonstrating that dogs have the ability to differentiate between various shades of colors, with a particular sensitivity to blue and yellow hues. This discovery has significant implications for dog training methods and the development of canine products. For instance, trainers can leverage this understanding by incorporating color differentiation tasks into their routines, rewarding dogs with treats when they accurately identify and distinguish between different colors. Such methods not only enhance the training process but also engage dogs more effectively, promoting mental stimulation and learning. Furthermore, this knowledge is instrumental in designing toys and training tools tailored to a dog's visual capabilities. By utilizing colors that dogs can easily perceive, manufacturers can create products that are more engaging and beneficial for canine cognitive development. For example, toys in shades of blue and yellow are likely to be more visually appealing and stimulating for dogs, encouraging interactive play and learning. This can lead to more effective training sessions and overall better well-being for dogs, as they are provided with tools that cater to their natural abilities and instincts. Overall, understanding canine color perception not only enriches the training experience but also enhances the quality of life for dogs by ensuring their environment is suited to their sensory preferences. Grayscale vision. Dogs possess a unique visual capability compared to humans, primarily due to the higher number of rod cells in their eyes. Rod cells are responsible for detecting light and motion, and having more of these cells allows dogs to distinguish a wide range of gray shades with greater precision. This adaptation proves particularly advantageous in low-light conditions, such as at dawn or dusk when visibility is reduced. A study highlighted that dogs are adept at identifying slight differences in gray shades, which significantly enhances their ability to navigate and perceive their surroundings during these times. This proficiency in grayscale vision is not just limited to the increased rod cells but is further augmented by the presence of the tapetum lucidum. The tapetum lucidum is a reflective layer located behind the retina that acts like a mirror, reflecting light that passes through the retina back into the eyes. This reflection boosts the amount of light available to the photoreceptors, thereby improving the dog's night vision. This combination of enhanced rod cells and the tapetum lucidum makes dogs exceptionally well equipped for activities in dim lighting, allowing them to see more effectively than humans in such conditions. This ability is crucial for their survival and daily activities, aiding them in hunting, navigating their environment, and staying vigilant during periods when light is scarce. Visual acuity. Dogs' visual clarity is significantly less sharp than that of humans, with their visual acuity being roughly 20% of ours. This means they perceive much less detail in their surroundings. However, what dogs lack in detailed vision, they make up for with other adaptations that have proven advantageous for their survival and hunting prowess. Their vision is finely tuned to detect motion, even in low light conditions. This capability allows them to spot potential prey or threats quickly, even in dim environments where humans might struggle to see. Dogs are particularly adept at noticing moving objects, a skill deeply rooted in their hunting instincts. This sensitivity to movement helps them track and chase down prey with remarkable efficiency. Their eyes contain a higher number of rod cells, which are responsible for vision in low light, compared to cone cells that detect color in detail. This biological setup is what enables dogs to navigate and hunt effectively at dawn, dusk, or in the darkness, times when many prey animals are most active. In addition to their motion detection, dogs' field of vision is broader than that of humans, giving them a panoramic view of their environment. This wide field of view is beneficial for scanning large areas for potential threats or prey. While they may not see the fine details, the combination of motion sensitivity, low-light vision, and a wide field of view makes dogs excellent at what their vision evolved to do: support their role as hunters and guardians in various conditions. Motion detection. Studies have consistently demonstrated that dogs are particularly adept at detecting motion, often more so than static objects. This heightened sensitivity to movement is especially pronounced when the objects are at a distance. Such capabilities are believed to be an evolutionary adaptation from their early days as hunters, where detecting the subtle movements of prey from afar could mean the difference between a successful hunt and going hungry. For modern-day dogs, this trait can be leveraged during playtime to keep them stimulated and engaged. Incorporating large, moving toys into their play routine can effectively tap into their natural hunting instincts. These toys mimic the erratic and unpredictable movements of prey, capturing the dog's attention and encouraging active play. This not only provides physical exercise but also mental stimulation, helping to satisfy their instinctual needs and contribute to their overall well-being. By understanding and utilizing their inherent motion detection abilities, pet owners can create more enriching and enjoyable play experiences for their dogs. Breed-specific vision. Different dog breeds possess unique visual strengths and capabilities that are tailored to their evolutionary backgrounds and specific roles. For example, Greyhounds and Siberian Huskies are renowned for their exceptional long-distance vision, a trait that historically aided them in spotting prey or navigating vast landscapes. Greyhounds, with their sleek build and powerful stride, have been bred for speed and sight, making them excellent at spotting and chasing fast-moving objects from a distance. Similarly, Siberian Huskies, originally bred for endurance sled pulling and expansive, snowy terrains, benefit from their ability to see far ahead to detect obstacles or potential dangers. On the other hand, breeds like Border Collies are distinguished by their sharp visual acuity, particularly for detecting and responding to moving objects. This heightened ability is essential for their traditional role in herding livestock, where they must constantly monitor and control the movement of animals. Border Collies' keen sight allows them to perceive even the slightest changes in motion, making them incredibly effective herders. Conversely, breeds such as Pugs and Bulldogs have a wider field of vision up close, which provides them with a panoramic view of their immediate surroundings. This trait is likely an adaptation to their role as companion animals, where close interaction with humans and a broad awareness of nearby activities are beneficial. However, this broader vision comes at the expense of distance clarity, rendering these breeds more nearsighted. As a result, they may not excel in activities requiring long-distance vision but are adept at navigating and interacting within their immediate environment. Understanding these breed-specific visual differences is crucial for dog owners. By recognizing and accommodating their dog's visual strengths and limitations, owners can tailor activities and environments to better suit their pet's needs. For instance, activities involving long-distance retrieval might be more suitable for Greyhounds and Huskies, while games that emphasize close-up interaction and motion could be more engaging for Border Collies. Similarly, Pugs and Bulldogs might benefit from activities that take advantage of their wide field of vision and nearsightedness, such as puzzle toys and close-range play. Practical tips for owners. To make playtime more enjoyable and beneficial for your dog, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure that play areas are well lit. Good lighting is crucial, as it helps your dog see and navigate their environment more easily, reducing the risk of accidents and increasing their comfort and confidence. Secondly, select toys that are appropriately sized and suitable for your dog's breed and size. Smaller dogs may struggle with large, heavy toys, while larger dogs might accidentally swallow or break smaller, delicate toys. Choose durable toys that can withstand vigorous play, and consider interactive toys that stimulate your dog's mind and body. For breeds known for their excellent distance vision, such as Greyhounds and Border Collies, incorporate activities like fetching and agility training into their routine. These activities take advantage of their natural abilities and provide both physical exercise and mental stimulation. Fetching, in particular, is a great way to engage your dog, as it taps into their instinct to chase and retrieve objects, providing a satisfying and enjoyable workout. Aligning play and training activities with your dog's visual and physical capabilities is key to enhancing their overall well-being. Observe how your dog interacts with their environment and tailor their playtime accordingly. For example, dogs with weaker vision might benefit from brightly colored toys or those that make noise, helping them locate and engage with the toys more easily. Incorporating variety in playtime is also important. Rotate toys regularly to keep your dog interested and prevent boredom. Engage in different types of play, from tug-of-war to puzzle toys, to cater to different aspects of your dog's development and interests. By considering these practical tips and aligning activities with your dog's unique abilities, you can create a more enriching, enjoyable, and health-promoting playtime experience for your furry friend. In conclusion, understanding the unique ways in which dogs perceive the world around them enriches our relationship with these loyal companions. While their color vision is limited to shades of blue and yellow, this insight allows us to make informed choices when selecting toys and training tools, ensuring these items are more engaging and easier for dogs to see. Appreciating their dichromatic vision also helps us create environments that cater to their specific sensory needs. Moreover, recognizing the extraordinary capabilities of their other senses, such as their superior sense of smell and acute hearing, further deepens our appreciation for their complex sensory world. By tailoring our interactions and surroundings to suit their perceptual abilities, we can provide more stimulating and fulfilling experiences for our dogs. The better we understand the sensory experiences of dogs, the more effectively we can communicate, train, and care for them. This knowledge not only enhances their quality of life but also strengthens the bond we share with our canine friends, fostering a deeper connection built on mutual understanding and respect.